Welcome to this video where we are going to simplify this algebraic expression. Well, I saw that there is a negative 2 multiplied by this bracket for x minus 1. So I will still have my 15x here. Well, this negative 2 will need to multiply by 4x to give me negative 8x. This negative 2 will also have to multiply by negative 1. This will give me positive 2. And after which, let's continue to simplify. We will have 15x minus 8x to give me 7x. I still have my positive 2 down there, and this will be my final answer. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.